In 2026, the most dangerous thing for your business is having your data all over the place, spread across 10 different apps that don't even communicate with each other. If you want to scale out at the enterprise level, you need one central system that links up every tool in your stack, so you have a single, unified source of truth. Today, we are going to see how the Bittrex24 API and Marketplace can transform your CRM into a data powerhouse, breaking down silos and automating your whole ecosystem. Let's dive in and take a look. So here we are in Bittrex24, and you can see there are loads of things you can do here. But today, let's focus on the application side, especially for developers. Because in the Marketplace, if we search for REST API, we can actually install it straight onto the platform, and this lets you connect any external software or custom-built tool directly into your workspace. This flexibility is what makes Bittrex24 a real business operating system, not just some closed-off software package. Developers can use the API to automate data syncing between the CRM and third-party accounting, logistics, or even old legacy systems. This way, you never need to do manual data entry when transferring information between platforms. If we go to our CRM section and click on a deal here, you'll see there's a lot of information available. We have the payments, the stage, whether it's in progress or not, and we can set up all sorts of things from this drop-down menu. On top of that, all the information we have here, which could have been brought in from outside or external sources, is fully integrated into Bittrex24 thanks to this marketplace. Now, the marketplace offers instant extensibility. You can access hundreds of ready-to-use apps and integrations in the Bittrex24 marketplace to add specialized functions to your workspace in just seconds. It's really plug and play with these integrations, so teams don't need to have their own in-house developers to build all these things themselves. From telephone and SMS providers to industry-specific tools, the marketplace makes sure the platform can evolve as your business needs change. This lets a business stay at the forefront of 2026 technology without needing to change platforms. By integrating all your data streams, Bittrex24 CRM becomes the central hub for every customer interaction and business transaction. This is really important because you want clean data that every department, from sales to support, can actually trust and access. This unified data structure allows the built-in AI agents to give more accurate forecasts and deeper business intelligence insights across the board. Here, we can access different stages of certain deals in the CRM platform, and all this can depend on the integrations we've set up earlier. Now, talking about AI is only as good as the data it gets, and a fully integrated CRM gives the best possible context for that AI. Here, we can see different sessions, and we can chat with the AI just like any other AI out there. But the advantage is, it's directly inside your CRM platform when you use Bittrex24. So stop letting your data stay in silos and start building a unified ecosystem. Click the link in the description to activate your 15-day free trial with Bittrex24 and explore the marketplace and API for yourself today. That's all from me. I'll see you all in the next video.